Emakhosini bogogo nabomkhulu ngiyanamukela ku-channel yami nesahleli nentokazi ugogo Patricia intombi endala. So after the video that I made, the previous video about Ukuphupha Usesikolweni, right? I just remembered one of the dreams that I once had, and I thought I should, share the video. I remember isikhathi sakhona I was going through a lot. Bengigowisha. So ekugowisheni kwami I would drink. Not drink ukuthi ngihambe ngiyophathisha. No, mina I'm one person mangine stress angiphumi futhi ngomnyango. I'd rather buy alcohol ngihlale indoors and drink. And me drinking akusilo kuphuza lokho ukuthi ngizobe ngihlanza ngwela phansi ngazigama lami. No, I just drink. But now I would drink ngivuke ngepapalaza mangivuka nje tshwaleni, cause kusefrijini uyakhipha nje uyaphuza komnandi ngisagowisha impilo, so kwathi kusenjalo ke after that then kwafika isikhathi where I was like, okay, no, girl, vuka sithintithe iba ugirl. Lento le, I don't see this as my life. I don't see myself ngisidakwa nje. No. And I remember after lapho ngaba nephupho elihlekisa. Ngaphupha ngingena esikolweni. Mangena esikolweni ngindlula in between the tables. You know how school is. So it was like as if the door was at the back, but uthisha uhlelile phambili. Child, angingenanga ngiphethe idampi. Mind you, ngingena esikolweni, I'm in class, kodwa ngifake ibhayi. La ngangifake ibhayi lengwe leli black and white. Ngingena eklasini kodwa ngiphethe idampi. Idampi yakhona sesi mangiyiphethe ngingena mina ngibeke kanje. But it's as if I don't want anyone to see it, but it's like uthisha uyayibona, like there's no way incane le dampi angikhulumi ngengudu ngikhuluma ngedampi. Uthisha uyayibona, and I felt so embarrassed. I felt ukuthi all the learners are looking at me. The way I felt so bad, I even ngaphaphama ngithukile the way I tapped out of the dream. And abantu abadala mabakuphuphisa, guys, sometimes it's not something you have to do. Sometimes they're showing you ngawe ukuthi manje wena usentwasweni, right? Usesikolweni. Remember, some of us are self-initiating, right? So intwaso isuka isendlini. You have to be disciplined wena ngokwakho. Uzilawule wena ngokwakho. Obviously, me having to drink, I was not waking up to pray. I was not paddling. I was not stimming. I was not footing. I was not plating. Bengaqhathi. I was not reading the Bible. I was not meditating. I was down and out. So bangibonisa ukuthi mina ngisesikolweni kodwa ngisesikolweni notshwala. Number one, utshwala nesikolo abuhlangani ngoba utshwala esikolweni abungeni. Chances are you might be suspended. Chances are you might fail. Chances are you didn't even study. So they were showing me exactly into bengiyet. Guys, that's when I got to see ukuthi abantu abadala, they are creative. They use ways to show you ukuthi unjani ngendlela that is so funny. Like, it's humor. Okay, it's not funny, but it's funny. It's not funny, but it's funny because I was like, yeah, but it was nice. It was nice. And it was showing in the stage that I am, bekwamakhosi who are, teaching me things, showing me things, fundising me things, right? Imagine sengifela isubject amakhosi. Imagine. You understand? And amakhosi major. Yabona kwa-spirit all subjects are majors. You can't say ma uphase i-English, uphase umaths, uphase ne-home language, you've passed, you can fail. Kwa-spirit all subjects are majors. And ufanele uwatalabe, ufanele uwaphase, ufanele upay attention, you know. But anyways, so yeah, hope you love the video. Please engage with me. You can ask any questions. When I have time, I'll answer your questions through videos or in the comments section. Ma ungaka subscribe, please subscribe to my channel. Ngiyathanda uNkulunkulu nedlozi banibuyisise kwande kube mhlophe bayede ngunyamazezulu.